Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today it's all about you. Thank you guys for being a subscriber. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos and like my content. YouTube is like a garden. Sometimes you put stuff in and it may grow or it may not. This motivation to create my channel was from a less than spectacular customer service I've gotten from a company which will remain nameless. I ended up fixing the problem myself, and I thought, wonder if anybody else is having problems with their Oculus setup. Wonder if anybody else has a CD that's stuck in their car and they don't know how to get it out. What equipment do I need to read my ODBII sensor? How to build my own arcade machine, and the one over here. Or Sabi's lightsaber from Walt Disney. What's good, what's bad, what's ugly, and how to change the power supply in this sucker. These and more are all the topics, so please like and comment on the videos. This channel is all about you. I have one favor. Please ask questions. Make comments so I make this channel for you so it serves the needs and gets you going and gets you in the right direction. If you like my videos, like them. This makes a huge difference in how many people see my videos. Thanks again. You guys are awesome. I love you. And keep on rocking and keep on watching.